How to install and download JetBrains.PyCharm. Follow the steps. Go to browser and type jetbrains.com. Select Python and Django option. Next, select PyCharm professional version and click on download option. Click on download professional free trial. Now you can see downloading is start. After complete downloading, go to download folder and double click on PyCharm Professional. Click next, next. Select 64-bit launcher and .py and click on next. Install option. Select Run PyCharm and click on Finish. Accept agreement. Click on Continue. Select Don't Send option. Set any theme and click Next Feature Plugin. Start using PyCharm. Select Evaluate for free. Click on Evaluate option. Select any option, create new project or open new project. Select your folder, no limits, and click on OK. Now PyCharm is ready for programming.
गाइस, अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो इस वीडियो को लाइक करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। थैंक यू गाइस।